Hi friends, it's Lisa Hetrick from Indigo Jade Art, and I'm so grateful you could join me today. I have a fun new product to share with you today from my Something Good in Everyday collection. This is a downloadable, printable card kit, a 48-piece card kit that I've designed and created just for you. So let's go ahead and take a walk through of all of the pieces that are available in the card kit. So it is chock full of all kinds of things you can use to make your own cards and to have fun with some paper crafting projects. So in the card kit, there are 8 pre-designed A2 sized cards with all of these patterns that were created from my original watercolor artwork. So I'm super excited to share these patterns with you. This is from my Something Good in Everyday collection, and I love how these little note cards turned out. They're all you have to do is print them, cut them, add an envelope, and you're good to go. And they're really, really super, super simple to work with, and I just love the way they came out. I printed them out on some of my favorite white cardstock, and the colors are super vibrant. Also in the kit is a set of patterned papers that are sized to 4 by 6. So there are 6 patterned papers in the kit, and all you have to do, again, there's 3 up on a sheet. So all you have to do is cut them out. You can use them with your punches, your dies, or your favorite electric die cutters, and you can do anything you want with these pattern papers. You can put them in your journals, or you can add them to your card making projects. They also are kind of fun. You can make a little tiny card out of them if you wanted to. So it's kind of fun. So here are all of the embellishments that are part of the kit. So I'm going to go through the big honking embellishments first. So there's a huge floral spray that is really quite large, and it will fit across the front of a card. So I'm just going to show you here on this wonky polka card that I have here. So here's the floral spray. So this embellishment is perfect for a card front, either horizontal or vertical. You could also put it on a scrapbook page. You could do a lot of fun things with it. It's a really large die cut embellishment, and so is the mason jar of joy. I just love this piece, and I know you will too. I also have 2 large, big honkin' florals, and you can see how they're sized here on the card front. So those are the really big die cut pieces that are a part of the kit. I also have these, what I call washi tape flags. So there are 6 flags that are coordinating in the patterns, and you could use these as embellishments on your scrapbook pages or your paper crafting projects or your front of your card here. They're great for adding a little extra dimension or a little extra look and feel to your card. So they're super fun to play with and really easy to cut out. So here are the 4 geometric pieces that are also part. So I call these the geo frames, and you could stamp in a sentiment inside the frame, or you could, handwrite something inside the frame, or use the frame as a graphic element as part of your card design. So you can see here that I'm using it in the background here, layering it with the flowers, just to add a little extra texture and dimension to that card front. So those in the kit, there's 4 of those. Also in the kit are quite a few leaf elements and leaf embellishments. So there's lots of different colors here. These were created from my original watercolor illustrations. And here are the bigger leaves. I have some smaller leaves and some mid-sized leaves in here too. So there's quite a bit to work with. And because it's a printable, digital, downloadable kit, you can print this out as many times as you like to create as many projects and many cards as you like. So I'm just playing around here and just kind of showing you what some of the layering possibilities are with the flowers and the leaves and the frames. So this is just kind of a really fun way to layer up some of the leaves up underneath the flowers, and you get some really fun embellishments on the front of this card. And it's just so fun. So there's lots of possibilities with the different elements that are part of the kit. Love it. I hope you enjoyed this quick walkthrough of my new printable card kit from my Something Good in Everyday collection. There are so many super fun elements in this collection. I hope you will really enjoy it. So you can pick up this 48-piece kit in my shop at indigojadeartshop.com, and I can't wait to see what you create. Please consider sharing the joy by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. And I have more card and watercolor tutorials for you to enjoy on this channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.